Looking to bring the future into your kitchen? These futuristic Amazon gadgets keep you organized, save space, and make cooking a breeze. From clever storage hacks to smart tools, your kitchen's about to get seriously upgraded. All the links are in the description below. Store more and keep it fresh. This compact container holds over 25 pounds of rice and other grains while sealing out dust and odors. A simple press button dispenses exactly what you need, and the clear window shows how much is left. The measuring cup has marked scales and drainage holes, so you can measure and wash your rice in one step. Doing dishes just got a major upgrade. This handheld automatic scrubber does the dirty work for you literally. Just lock in your bowl or plate, pull the trigger, and watch it spin clean in seconds. You don't even need to touch greasy water or leftover oil. It grips dishes securely, scrubs thoroughly, and makes cleanup feel more like a quick game than a chore. Cutting watermelon just got a whole lot cleaner and cooler. This 2-in-1 slicer and fork combo lets you slice perfect cubes with one smooth push, then scoop them up right away. No mess, no dripping juice everywhere. Made of durable stainless steel, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to wash. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect summer gadget for picnics, parties, or backyard snacks. Peeling tiny fruits or garlic cloves doesn't have to take forever. This automatic peeler does it all for you fast, clean, and hands-free. Its high-speed motor removes skins in seconds while keeping every bit of pulp intact. The rechargeable design means you can use it anywhere, no cords attached. Compact and durable, it's a clever little helper that turns prep time into playtime. Fresh juice in seconds, without the arm workout. This rechargeable electric citrus juicer does all the squeezing for you. Just press a button and watch it extract every drop from oranges, lemons, or even watermelon. It's lightweight, cordless, and USB-C powered, so you can juice anywhere. No outlets needed. Detachable parts make cleanup quick, and safety locks keep things secure while you enjoy your vitamin-packed refreshment. Breakfast on the go just got easier. This electric egg and sausage roll maker turns your favorite ingredients into perfectly cooked grab-and-go snacks. Just pour in the mix, let it cook, and watch your breakfast rise into a fun, easy-to-eat roll. It's safe, compact, and simple to clean, ideal for busy mornings. No pans, no mess, just warm, tasty breakfast in minutes. Get ready to make dessert magic right at home. This compact ice cream maker turns your favorite ingredients into creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or smoothie bowls with just one touch. Add your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, fruit, or nuts, and watch it blend them perfectly. You're in full control of flavor, texture, and sweetness. It's fast, easy, and makes every scoop feel like a treat made just for you. Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked bread, and now you can have it anytime. This automatic bread maker does all the work for you. Mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. Just add your ingredients, pick a program, and let it handle the rest. With 17 settings and customizable crust levels, every loaf comes out just the way you like it. Quiet, easy to clean, and foolproof. It's homemade bread made simple. Ever wish your sauces stirred themselves? This automatic pan stirrer does exactly that. Just drop it in your pot, hit a button, and it handles the job while you multitask. With 3 speed settings and LED indicators, it keeps soups and gravies perfectly smooth without any effort. The legs are heat resistant and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's easy too. Hands-free cooking just got a serious upgrade. Rain or shine, this portable electric grill lets you enjoy that perfect sear anywhere. It heats up fast, reaching sizzling hot temps without smoke or flare-up, just pure grilling power. The stainless steel body resists rust, while the non-stick grate makes cleanup effortless. Plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to grill indoors or out. Compact, durable, and seriously satisfying for every cookout craving. Imagine tossing your ingredients into a pot, pressing a button, and letting dinner basically cook itself. That's what this automatic cooking machine does. It stirs, heats, and times everything for you. From frying to stewing, it handles it all with precision while you relax or prep the next meal. It's like having your own personal chef quietly working in the background, keeping every dish perfectly cooked. If you've ever struggled with soggy tofu, this clever press changes everything. Just pop your block inside, clip it shut, and let it drain while you go about your day. The water collects neatly at the bottom. No paper towels or mess. In a few hours, you will have perfectly firm tofu that absorbs flavor like a sponge. It's simple, reusable, and gives you restaurant-quality texture every single time. Meet your new kitchen sidekick that actually helps you eat smarter. This smart food scale doesn't just weigh your food, it tells you what's in it. Sync it with the app to track calories, macros, and up to 19 key nutrients in real time. Its stainless steel surface is sleek, durable, and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking, meal prepping, or managing your diet, precision has never been this simple. Here's how you turn greasy gravy into pure perfection. This clever fat separator lets you pour smooth, lean sauces without a drop of oil sneaking in. Just fill it up, and the built-in strainer catches all the unwanted bits. The smart release spout pours from the bottom, leaving the fat layer behind. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and makes every homemade gravy taste like a chef's secret. Crispy fries, juicy chicken, or roasted veggies, this slim air fryer does it all without taking up precious counter space. Its compact design fits anywhere, yet the basket still handles big batches with ease. You get 6 preset modes and adjustable temperature for perfect results every time. The ceramic non-stick coating makes cleanup effortless, sleek, quiet, and efficient. It's your shortcut to healthier, faster cooking. Cutting pineapples just got way easier. This clever stainless steel tool peels, cores, and slices your pineapple in seconds. No more sticky mess or wasted fruit. It twists smoothly through the core, leaving you with perfect rings or ready-to-eat chunks. The best part? It keeps the outer shell intact, so you can use it as a fun serving bowl. Fast, neat, and seriously satisfying. Turn your room into a mini galaxy with this adorable astronaut projector. It fills your ceiling with drifting nebula clouds and twinkling stars that feel straight out of space. You can control brightness, color, and movement with the remote, or set a timer to drift off under the stars. The astronaut's head even tilts to change the angle. It's cozy, mesmerizing, and perfect for dreamers of any age. If you love making meatballs but hate the mess, this clever gadget might just be your new favorite kitchen tool. It lets you shape a dozen meatballs at once with a single press. No sticky hands or uneven sizes. The stainless steel design keeps cleanup simple, and it's versatile enough for rice balls, veggie balls, or even cookie dough. Perfect for quick, uniform results every time. Cooking just got a little more fun with this cheerful crab utensil rest. Its sturdy silicone claws hold your spoon or spatula so your counters stay spotless. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it's perfect for busy stovetops or grilling sessions. When you're done, toss it in the dishwasher for an easy clean. Cute, clever, and practical. It's the kitchen helper you didn't know you needed. Dinner just got a serious glow-up. This 6-in-1 wonder oven air fries, toasts, roasts, bakes, reheats, and broils all in one sleek countertop design. Steam infusion locks in moisture, giving you juicy insides and crispy outsides every time. It preheats lightning fast and cooks up to 30% quicker than a regular oven. Compact yet powerful, it's the all-in-one upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. This NutMilk Maker blends, heats, and filters your ingredients into creamy almond, soy, or oat milk with just the press of a button. It's perfect for anyone tired of store-bought options filled with additives. With multiple functions, a warming feature, and all the accessories included, it's a compact kitchen upgrade that turns simple ingredients into fresh, healthy drinks anytime. Love loose-leaf tea? This long-handled tea infuser makes brewing effortless. Just scoop your tea, twist it closed, and dip it in hot water. The fine mesh keeps every leaf contained while letting flavor flow freely. The extended handle doubles as a stirrer, so you can mix and steep at the same time. Made of durable stainless steel, it's reusable, easy to clean, and perfect for any tea lover's daily ritual. Mornings just got smarter. This automatic curtain opener glides your curtains open with a tap on your phone, or even your voice. Installation? Just clip it on. No tools, no hassle. A quiet mode keeps it whisper silent while you sleep, and the upgraded motor handles even heavy drapes with ease. Connect it to your smart home system and enjoy effortless light control every day. Cleaning fish doesn't have to be a messy chore anymore. This cordless electric fish scaler does the hard work for you with its powerful motor, spinning up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. It comes with 2 interchangeable cutter heads to handle all kinds of fish, big or small. The rechargeable battery runs for hours, so you can clean a full catch on one charge. Waterproof, efficient, and built for serious anglers. Your morning smoothie just got an upgrade. This personal blender packs serious power into a sleek travel tumbler that goes wherever you do. With one touch, the Auto IQ Tech blends, pauses, and pulses automatically for perfect results every time. The 1200-watt motor crushes ice like it's nothing, turning ingredients silky smooth. And thanks to its leak-proof chug lid, you can toss it in your bag without a single spill. Prepping veggies doesn't have to feel like a chore. This 12-in-1 chopper handles slicing, dicing, shredding, and grating, all in one compact setup. Just press down and watch onions, carrots, or cucumbers turn into perfectly even pieces in seconds. The built-in container keeps your counter clean, while the non-slip base holds everything steady. Easy to clean, quick to use, and a total game changer for meal prep. Bring dull blades back to life with precision you can feel. This adjustable knife sharpener gives you full control over your edge, whether it's a kitchen knife, hunting blade, or even a serrated edge. With 7 abrasive grits from coarse diamond to fine leather strop, you can restore, refine, and polish any blade. The adjustable angle system makes every sharpening consistent, fast, and foolproof. Sharp knives every time. Tight lids don't stand a chance with this clever under-cabinet jar opener. Just hook, twist, and done, no muscle required. It's perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. The hidden design keeps your counters clutter-free, and the non-slip grip holds every lid steady. You'll open jars one-handed with zero effort, making everyday kitchen tasks feel effortless again. Your toothbrush deserves better than sitting on the counter. This wall-mounted UV sanitizer keeps up to 4 brushes clean, dry, and ready to go. With just one button, it uses UV light to eliminate germs in minutes, then shuts off automatically. It's rechargeable, easy to mount, no drilling needed, and perfect for families. Sleek, smart, and hygienic, it keeps your bathroom organized and your smile protected. Say goodbye to tearing your toast with cold butter. This 3-in-1 butter spreader glides, curls, and cuts all in one go. The tiny holes along the blade create soft butter curls that spread evenly, while the serrated edge slices through bread or cheese with ease. It's made from rust-resistant stainless steel and feels solid in your hand. Safe, smooth, and perfect for your morning routine. Cooking just got smarter and simpler. This 2-in-1 electric frying pan and steamer lets you fry, steam, saute, and simmer all in one pot. With a touch control panel and 7 easy modes, you can whip up everything from crispy stir-fries to fluffy dumplings in minutes. The non-stick coating keeps cleanup effortless, and the large capacity means dinner for the whole family, hassle-free. Finally, a dish rack that actually saves space and looks good doing it. This 3-tier over-the-sink organizer keeps dishes, glasses, and utensils neatly arranged while freeing up precious counter space. Its enclosed cover keeps everything dust-free, and the sturdy steel frame can handle heavy loads without wobbling. With holders for knives, cutting boards, and sponges, it turns your sink area into a clean, efficient workstation. Chopping herbs just got way faster. These clever herb scissors have 5 sharp stainless steel blades that slice fresh herbs in seconds, no knife or cutting board needed. The non-slip rubber handles keep your grip steady, and the included cover doubles as a cleaning comb to clear out leftover bits safely. Toss them in the dishwasher when you're done. Quick, easy, and perfect for everyday cooking. Your morning routine just got a tech upgrade. This smart electric kettle connects to Wi-Fi, letting you boil water or set the perfect temperature with a top ear even a voice command. The gooseneck spout gives you precision control for smooth, steady pouring, ideal for coffee or tea lovers. It heats fast, keeps water warm for hours, and shuts off automatically for safety. Sleek, smart, and seriously satisfying to use. Breakfast just got way more fun. This 3-in-1 breakfast station lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or pancakes all at once. The non-stick griddle handles bacon and omelets with ease, while the toaster oven crisps up 4 slices perfectly. A built-in coffee maker brews your morning cup as everything cooks. Compact, retro, and practicality's your all-in-one morning shortcut. Tired of battling frozen solid ice cream? This smart heated scoop melts away that struggle, literally. The handle gently warms up, letting you glide effortlessly through hard ice cream straight from the freezer. No waiting, no bending spoons, just smooth, creamy perfection every time. It's rechargeable, fully washable, and even shows the temperature on a tiny LED screen. Perfect for anyone who loves dessert but hates the arm workout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.